What do you have on your shirt? What is that? Pop-Tarts? Or little Krabbies?
So easy to love. You make Sunday morning seem so tough.
Good morning, good morning. What do you have on your shirt? Gaines, what do you have on your shirt?
Show Daddy what you have on your shirt.
Coffee.
Crawfish.
Woo! We're here at church getting out. We're late always, but hey, it's the thought that counts. Better late than never, as my mama always used to say. Alright, we gotta go. We gotta go. Here we go. Oh, it's fogging up. Hey, have fun, buddy. Okay. Say your prayers, okay? Okay. Oh, there's another Hatchimal in your seat this morning.
Here, let's leave this. You can't take it in, okay?
We'll get it after church. Alright, y'all have fun. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I'm going back home. Alright, worship and praise in school and Sunday school and church. We didn't go to Sunday school, but it's over. Hey, buddy. How we doing, man? We chilling? Buddy. Yeah. They got to go down the slide after church. Yeah. They got the Hatchimal still. Yeah. Where are we going? Mexican.
Sort of.
We're going to Del Taco, Rio.
Oh, I wish we were going to Del Taco. We don't have one of those.
We're going to Taco Bell, Rectum Rockets. Oh man, he's with the age where he sees big trucks and Brooks ride. You can't ride that.
Oh, you look so cool with your glasses, bud.
Yeah, dude.
I like this sort of show.
No, you can't ride that. That's not ours. Oh, else's ride. Yeah, that's somebody else's ride. He thinks else is a person. That's what we determined this morning.
He's like, else ride.
Else ride.
Last thing is blessing. Last thing is we are fit. Thank you, Lord, for daily bread. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. Oh,
You're not
we.
supposed to vlog when we're saying the blessing.
Oh, sorry. I just had to because you're so cute. Okay, one more time.
You say it. Say God is great.
Mommy.
The smell of your perfume filled the air that summer night. Laying on that riverbank underneath that boundless sky. I had my guitar and you had a bottle of wine, and I sang to you until the fire died. Words can never really tell the beauty of that place, but there's no way you could compare to the moonlight on your face. It wasn't what you said or did, it was something in your eyes. And since that night I've never had to try. 'Cause you're so easy to love. You make Sunday morning seem so tough, and I don't need you to try and do too much. 'Cause girl, you're just so easy to love. There's nothing in this whole wide world that would ever take your place.
What are you doing?
Look how beautiful he's made that butterfly.
So pretty.
It's not a butterfly, it's a dragonfly.
Oh, told you. It is a gloomy, rainy day. They have a ball pit, and that's fun and all, and they jump into that a lot, and they use it a lot, and that's why it's still out here. They have a trampoline, they have a slide. With it being a rainy day, and they don't have school today, that we should have a little fun inside. Have they been sweet? Have they been sweet today? Do they deserve a surprise?
They do. They actually have been very sweet playing with their stuff.
Let's ask.
Whenever I leave the room.
Let's ask the cat herself. Have you been sweet today? Do you think you deserve a surprise?
And slipped, and I was crying.
That's why your face is red.
Yeah. But what about before all that? Were you sweet this morning? Do you deserve a surprise?
Yeah.
Because it's a rainy day? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
When it started thundering, I didn't cover my ears and complain.
Oh, that was good.
I know, you've been just chilling. It's been thundering and she's just been sitting here playing. I've been so proud
What's
of
one
you.
helpful thing you've done this morning around the house?
one time I helped Brooks. I don't remember what I did for Brooks, because like I did something helpful for him, but I don't remember.
Remember, I got Brooks out of bed, and what did you do that was helpful to help me get the laundry down?
I slid the laundry down the slide.
Yeah, that was helpful.
That was helpful for you and Brooks.
That's right.
That was good. Big help, big help.
Vicky.
And she's been a helper by finding stuff to do to play with.
Yes. So yeah, this slide, by the way, update on this. This is turned into a laundry chute. So we just need it extended all the way in and then wrap it around right into the washing machine.
Yeah, you just slide all the laundry. It's perfect.
All right, let's ask Brooks if he thinks he's deserved a surprise. Hey, buddy, do you think you deserve a surprise on a rainy day? Have you been sweet today? Hey, have you been sweet today?
No.
You haven't?
Do you want a surprise?
Take out your passy and tell me.
Take out your paw. Take out your paw. Do you want a surprise?
Say yes, sir.
Have you been a sweet boy?
Say yes, sir.
How old are you about to be? A monster. That's how old. I've got to charge this for 4 to 6 hours. Maybe we can get a little bit of juice out of them. It's so easy. It's like right there. It's got like rollerblade wheels. This is the Red Dragon. It reaches speeds of 60 miles per hour. I can't wait. We may only hit about 10 on this one today. I'm just kidding about the 60. Y'all are freaking out. Like literally no sound. Okay, let's see if we hopefully have enough charge just for a little fun ride. But y'all stay tuned, because in the upcoming vlogs, we'll be riding these things. But look, it's perfect day for this fun indoor activity. Brooks is even wearing a dinosaur onesie. Mommy's got them in there with their eyes closed.
Turn around, mommy. Turn around this way. Turn around towards mommy. You gotta close fast. Turn around towards mommy. Turn around towards mommy. Brooks, stop peeking.
I still don't have anything. Don't look.
Keep them closed.
Keep them closed.
Close your eyes.
I don't have anything yet. Okay, now you can open them.
What is that?
What is it?
Where's the red?
What are they?
Riding.
What is that?
I don't know.
That was very anticlimactic.
All right, I'm like, okay, well, very excited about that. Put you on and buckle you in.
That's your gas pedal right here. That's your go button, okay?
Okay.
So push that to go,
But not yet.
and then use this to steer, okay?
Okay.
That's your go button,
That's
okay?
how you go. You push that pedal.
Are y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let me turn them on.
Push the pedal. Whoa, look at that.
Go, buddy, go. I don't know if it can reverse.
Hang on, Brooks. Get your foot off the pedal.
There you go. He's gonna ride the wall. There he goes. He made the cut. Oh, he made the turn. He made the turn. Oh, God, he's coming to the tank. Oh, she's on two.
There you go.
Oh, we got a face off. Boom. Did he just knock a tooth out? Look at her steering it now. She's got it now. There you go. Now turn it where you want to go. There you go, now turn it. There you go, turn it into the other room. Go to the other room. Woo. Good riding, buddy. Turn it, turn it, turn it.
Watch where you're going.
Do a circle. Do a circle. Turn, turn, turn.
Hello.
I don't want you to follow me, Dad.
Whoa. He just rode around the island all by himself
All
too.
of a sudden it clicked
Yes.
and he was like, okay, I'm
That's
good.
crazy. He just went around the dining room, through that little nook. We have ourselves some little animal scooters pros now. So thank you to the folks at over at willtoys.com. And I'll leave a link below so y'all can go check out their website if you want to check these out. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger and bulkier, but they're like cool, perfect size. No hands.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
Whoa! We got some pros now.
Cause you're so easy to love. You make Sunday morning.
Loves it so much.
She does.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, mommy likes it up.
No, seriously, see y'all later.